Capstone week, Wednesday afternoon. Conference room, running late again. Two men at the table, one leaning forward, one holding the line. The room's been listening for an hour. Slim sets his coffee down. Somebody in the corner thinks I've seen this before. Not the slides, not the numbers, not the perimeter book. The energy, one man pressing harder, one man refusing to move. Like the ending already happened, and nobody told the room. May to May, same room, same two men, a whole year in between, and the argument's the same. May to May, stats and risk and probability, optimization, human factors, and the men sat down the same. First week of the program, 10 strangers in a circle. Plane went down in the Arctic, pick 15 things off the wreck. One man said sleeping bag, one man said hand axe, one man banged the table, the other one didn't blink. 3-1, the room moved on. He drove home that night, told his wife they were wrong. Slim watched the whole thing happen, filed it somewhere away. Didn't say a word that day. May to May, same room, same two men, a whole year in between, and the argument's the same. May to May, ghost cans and canvas pings, 20,000 XP, and the men sat down the same. Tuesday, a Capstone week, Tony and Tyrone talking over each other. Nobody yielding, nobody breathing. The machine grabbed an orange marker, held it up like diplomacy, said, "Whoever holds this speaks." Everybody laughed, everybody nodded. Problem solved. Nobody noticed two other men in that same room had needed one since the Arctic case. Slim looked over the coffee cup, said, "Y'all really learned nothing." Parameter book on the screen, the skeptic leans forward, look up at the screen, not at the monitor. The machine looks up, holds the line, and somewhere in the back of his head, a bell goes off. I've been here before, this is the Arctic case again. He doesn't move, neither does the other one. May to May, same room, same two men, a whole year in between, and the argument's the same. May to May, they learn models and frameworks, trade studies, risk matrices, and the men sat down the same. May to May, they passed every class they took, walked across the stage in Charlottesville, and neither one of them moved an inch. Capstone wrapped on Friday, everybody hugged, everybody graduated. Charlottesville and they, somewhere north in the Arctic, the hand axe waits in the snow, the sleeping bag stays warm, and the argument never ended.